Hello, incredible educators. Welcome to Teach Smarter AI, your go-to channel for tips, tools, and strategies to your teaching life easier and more impactful. On this channel, we help educators save time, reduce burnout, and teach smarter with the power of AI. Today, we will be talking about AI tools for online teachers. Online teaching has changed completely. In 2026, it's no longer about just Zoom and PowerPoint. If you're still teaching the old way, you're working harder than you should. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful tools every online teacher should be using in 2026 to save time, teach better, and earn more. Just one more thing before dive in. Don't forget to click the like button and be sure to subscribe to Teach Smarter AI, so never miss a video packed with practical teaching tips. Let's dive in. Tool number 1. First on the list is ChatGPT. Teachers are no longer creating lesson plans from scratch. ChatGPT helps you generate lesson plans, create quizzes and exam questions, simplify complex topics for students, write feedback and reports in seconds. Instead of spending hours preparing content, you can focus on actually teaching and mentoring your students. The second tool is Canva for Education. Students learn faster when lessons are visual. With Canva, online teachers can create slides and presentations, worksheets and handouts, infographics and study guides, short educational videos. And the best part, you don't need to be a designer. Everything is drag and drop. Tool number 3 is Notion. Think of Notion as your digital teaching headquarters. Online teachers use Notion to organize lesson plans, track student progress, store teaching resources, create class dashboards for students. Instead of jumping between multiple apps, everything stays in one place. Tool number 4 is Loom. In 2026, smart teachers don't repeat the same explanation over and over. With Loom, you can record short lesson videos, explain assignments, give personalized student feedback, create reusable tutorials. You teach once, record it, and reuse it, saving time and energy. The 5th tool is Google Classroom with AI integrations. Google Classroom remains a core platform, but in 2026 it's smarter. Teachers can automate grading, track student performance with AI insights, manage assignments effortlessly, and communicate clearly with students. It keeps your online class organized and professional. Bonus tip: the best online teachers in 2026 are not just teachers, they're digital educators. They combine AI, automation, and creativity to deliver better results with less stress. If you're an online teacher and you're not using these tools yet, you're already behind, but it's not too late. Start with just one tool and grow from there. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and share it with another teacher. And if you want more videos on AI tools for teachers and digital educators, you're in the right place. See you in the next video.